Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Officeverse. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. So now whether you are trying to organize some data, build a schedule or just make your document look little more structured and professional. So tables are the honestly one of the best tools Word has to offer. And Word gives you multiple ways to insert a table. So let's get started. First method is probably the quickest and easiest one. That's using the table grid. So that you need to click inside your document where you need to insert the table, and then you need to go into the insert tab. Then in insert tab there is a group named tables and there is a table option. So you click on this and one small dialog box pops up. So here you can choose, suppose you want to insert tables with 5 columns and 3 rows. So just you need to choose like this 5 by 3 table and click on it. And this is how easily you can just insert a table. Super fast, super simple. So next method is using the table dialog box. The same thing. First you need to click where you need to insert the table, then go into the insert tab, and in table you can click on the insert table option. Now here you can choose the number of columns. Suppose now I want columns to be 3 and I want rows to be 7. And here in auto fit behavior, if you do this, then the the width of column will be equal, or you can manually type the width of the columns. Suppose I just want them to be equal, so I'll just keep an auto and I'll click OK. And just like that, 4 by 7 table appears. Next option is a little different. It's the draw option. So for that again you need to click where you need to insert the table, go into the insert tab and select draw table. The moment you click that, you'll notice your cursor turns into a pencil. Now you can literally click and drag to draw your table by hand, like you're drawing it on a paper. You can draw the outer border first and then draw lines inside to create your individual cell. You can do like this. Now, when would you actually use this? Well, this method is perfect when you need an irregular or custom layout, like when some rows need to be bigger or you want cells that are merged in a non-standard way, like this. Some next row should be, wait, so something like this. It will give you flexibility and control over how your table looks. It's not something you'll use every day, but it's really handy when you need it. So next option is quick tables. They are basically a pre-built table template that Word already ready for you. For that again you need to go into the insert tab and you will see this click table option. And when you hover over it, you will see whole list of template like calendar 2, then it's with tabular list, matrix table, and few other clean and ready to use layout. Suppose I want to use this calendar 2, I just need to click and calendar appears. It saves a tons of your time. Instead of building and formatting a table from scratch, you just pick a template, insert it, and then customize it with your own content. Now here's one more method, and this one is honestly really clever. Let's say you have already typed some information in your document, maybe something like I have typed this name, age, city, address, mobile number, and you want them to be the header of your table. So for that, you need to select that text, go into the insert tab, go into the table option, and you need to click on convert text to the table option. First, you make sure your text items are separated by a comma, a space, or a tab. Here, they are separated by a comma. So after selecting this, the dialog box opens up. Here, you need to uh, tell how many numbers of columns. So I'll choose 5 and separate text is comma. If they are separated by something else, you can choose paragraph, tab, or the other option. And I just want the column width to be auto, and I'll click OK. And just like that, all your text is converted into the columns. And then you can add as much as rows as you want. So this is super helpful when you have already typed something out and you realize a table would work better. No need to start over. So that's it for today, guys. You have learned 4 different ways to insert a table in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon.